when your sister comes and say, you better go run away, okay? On the next video, okay? So guys, I already started my juice not here, so I have put these two in the
Maya, you doing it by yourself?
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, let me introduce my name. So, I'm not making slime, but I'm going to put some lotion up in this thing. So, yeah. And I already put this up in here when it was gone, and I put this up in here when it was gone.
So what is it? Dye?
Yeah.
Pour the clear glue out on here.
Put this already on.
Wait.
So, I got this thing right here, and I'm going to put this one.
Because you're trying to make slime, you can't just push it out.
Put the whole thing up in here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this.
Now put the lotion.
Now about to put the lotion. My mom's going to get the gloves so I can mix it up. So yeah. I can't believe I know how to talk like Miranda. So, comment below if you talk like Miranda or you, and comment down below if you watch Miranda. But I got to go.
5 hours later.